What's up, everybody? I'm Ty. Welcome back to the Tech Bump. This is my puppy Lincoln, and today he's gonna help me try and give away a free PC. Because what we're gonna do is, I call it the spelling bee for a free PC. I'm gonna hand people a whiteboard, give them 30 seconds, and I'm gonna give them one chance. And if they can spell one of my crazy weird words correctly, it's all theirs. Cost about 400 bucks. I'll go ahead and list out the parts for you, but we gotta get going because he's really excited and so am I. Let's go.
What up, fools? My name's Isaiah.
Gotta be louder, brother.
I'm gonna win this thing because, yeah, I've never had a computer, so I'm about to start making beats.
All right.
Mixtape coming next year.
Well, sounds good, man. All right, so your word is catapliate.
What the
Catapliate. Ready?
f***?
Set, go.
Damn. Catapliate.
I'm gonna be honest. You came so damn close, it's not funny.
Oh, what did I miss?
So you missed one eye.
Yeah, like everybody does in my name.
All right, man. Well, thank you for trying. Appreciate it.
Still cheap. My name's Eddie, and I'm trying to win this computer to play video games. That's all I do.
Pfeffernuss.
What is it?
Pfeffernuss.
Pfeffernuss.
Yes.
I've already lost. Pfeffernuss?
Yes.
Oh,
Let's see it.
pretty sure that's wrong.
It is. Thank you for trying.
Let me see how it's actually spelled.
What's going on? My name's Xavier, and I want a gaming laptop so I can stop getting roasted by all my homies. What's the word?
Okay. Your word is Schambach. Go.
What?
Schambach.
Nah, there's no way. I do that one more time.
Schambach.
Schambach.
Yes, Schambach.
It can't be that easy, so I'm assuming there's like some random U in there. I'm not gonna lie, that's the best I got. I got Schambach.
It's not right.
I know. I'm like, I've never heard of that word.
But that's all right. You know what, man? I appreciate you trying. And
Bro, hey, can I get the spelling though on it? Let's see how far I was.
all right. S-J.
Whoa! Whoa!
A-M-B-O-K.
Nah, dude, that's not a real word.
That is. You know what it is?
What is it?
It's a whip for rhinoceroses. It's from Africa.
You got me, bro. That was good.
Hi, I'm Deli. I'm here doing the spelling bee for the free PC.
Okay.
Yes.
And your word is cetaceous. She looks confident.
More than me, dude. I saw the word. Dude, that's all dirty.
No.
No.
Thank you for trying.
Okay, so I'm kind of sad. Nobody won it, but I'm also kind of happy because now we get to do round 2. And maybe I'll use the same four people. Maybe I'll use different people. Maybe I'll actually get more people this next time because 90% of people looked at me like I was crazy when I said, spell a word right and I'll give you a free computer. Maybe it's just because I look like a bum half the time. But fair enough. The whole point here is still mine, and the monitor and keyboard and mouse, obviously, they're not part of it at the moment. But if I should add that in, let me know. Or if I should do a graphics card and an SSD of some sort, let me know. Because it's gonna be given away to somebody and I want some input. It's not gonna be mine. Heck, if you live in Vegas and you run into me, it might end up being yours. So tell me down below. Let me know what you guys think. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. Either way, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. This has been the Tech Bum. I'm Ty, and I'll catch you guys next time.